In this video, I will show you how to create a custom URL for LinkedIn. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and liking the video so others can find it. So go ahead and open your LinkedIn page and select your profile picture right here at the top of your screen. Select your name. Once you open up your profile, you're going to see these two options right here on the right. The first one is to change your profile language, and the other one is going to be to edit your public URL. Go ahead and select that option. On the right side of your screen, you're going to have the option to edit your URL. So what you're going to do is to delete the one that you have right now, and you can simply start typing a new URL. Remember that your URL must have at least 3 letters or numbers, and you're not able to use spaces, symbols, or special characters. Once you're happy with your URL, go ahead and click on save. And now what you can do is to copy the URL that you just created. You can paste it on your screen to see if it works and if it actually opens up your LinkedIn profile. As you can see, mine did work, and that's it. I hope this video helped you.